In today's video, I'll show you how to install mods in Days Gone. Check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this female character. Choose the character you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this Lisa Jackson. Once you download the mod, right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Go back to game folder. Open the Bend Games content. Right click on SF packs and select rename. In the end of the S, add 1 and press enter. Open the packs folder and drop the mod file inside. Once you dropped, launch the game. And as you can see, the mod is working. We successfully switched the character. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.